Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi to view available networks and your current connection. Look for the connected network line to confirm the SSID name. Tap the blue eye icon beside the connected network to reveal detailed information. iOS displays IP address, router, and lease details in that view. Note that iOS often does not show explicit security type labels like WPA2 or WPA3. If the security type is missing here, you need a secondary method to verify encryption. From the iPhone Wi-Fi details, copy the router IP address for later use. Open Safari and paste the router IP to access the router login page. Enter the admin username and password to sign in and reach settings. Navigate to wireless or security to view the network encryption type listed. Look for WPA2, WPA3, WPA2/WPA3 mixed mode, or legacy WEP on that page. You can also check a physical router label for the default security mode information. If router access is unavailable, use a Mac or Windows PC to check security details. On a Mac, hold Option and click Wi-Fi to reveal security, which shows WPA2 or WPA3. On Windows, open Network and Internet Settings, then Wi-Fi Properties to view security type. You can also run a trusted network scanner app to detect authentication and encryption methods. Remember that enterprise setups use 802.1x and certificates instead of simple WPA2 passphrases, and WE.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.